Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make corn syrup substitute. So let's get started. I've got here 1 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of water, pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. This is what it looks like. It can come in sachets or in a small bottle, and you can get it in any supermarket in the baking aisle. A bottle with a lid for storing the corn syrup substitute, and a dish with some water for testing our sugar syrup. Place the dish with water in the fridge to keep it chilled so we can use it to test our syrup when it is ready. Take a heavy bottom pot, add sugar, water, lemon juice, cream of tartar, and salt, and mix it well. Put the stove on medium heat and heat it until the sugar has dissolved and the syrup has started to boil, stirring it frequently. Once the sugar has dissolved and the syrup has started to boil, lower the heat, put a lid on and simmer it for 3 minutes so that the sugar crystals stuck on the sides of the pot can dissolve. While waiting for the syrup, take the dish with water out of the fridge and get it ready. After 3 minutes, take the lid off, increase the heat to medium and cook it for 2 minutes, checking after every minute. If the syrup dissolves in the water, it means it is not ready. If it settles in the bottom and forms a gel-like consistency, it means that the syrup is ready. After 1 minute, check to see if the syrup is ready by dropping half a teaspoon of syrup in the dish with cold water. I cannot grab the syrup with my spoon and it has dissolved in the water, which means it is not ready. Continue cooking and check it again after another minute. After the second minute, check it again. The syrup has settled in the bottom and has formed a gel-like consistency. I can grab it with my spoon, which means my syrup is ready. If your syrup does not settle in the bottom and form a gel, continue cooking and check it again. Turn the heat off, move the pot away from the heat, and let it cool down for 30 minutes so that the syrup is no longer hot. After 30 minutes, the syrup has become warm and has thickened slightly. Transfer it into a bottle or a sealed container and let it cool down completely. My homemade corn syrup substitute is ready, and you can use it to make peanut brittle, cashew nut brittle, sorbets, candies, ice cream, just to name a few. This is not the real corn syrup, as it does not have corn. That's why it is called corn syrup substitute. It is just a replacement for the corn syrup. This recipe comes in very handy if you want to make something that needs corn syrup and you cannot get it in your country. Put the lid on and you can store your homemade corn syrup substitute in the pantry at room temperature for up to 3 months. If it hardens slightly and forms crystals, just warm it in the microwave at 10-second intervals until it becomes runny and it is ready to use. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.